Hi everyone, this is Sanjana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to share 5 lessons that I have learned from the book Magic. Now I know I have raved about this book a lot, and that's the reason I have also ordered a few more parts of it, like The Secret and The Power, to just read it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just begin with today's video. Okay, so the first thing which I have learned from this book is to believe in magic. For those who believe, and yeah, believe is something which is very important to keep when you are reading this kind of book, which especially the law of attraction ones and the manifestation ones. Belief is very much important. Once you inculcate to believe that yes, magic does happen in life, magic can change in life, and magic lies within us, then trust me, you will get to see the magic. So this is the first thing which I have learned, that believing is the key to everything in this world. So believe in magic and it will definitely happen. The second thing which I have learned from this book is nothing is impossible. Now since we know that magic can do anything and everything, which we have seen in Harry Potter movies, to be very honest.
Yes, I give the example of Harry Potter movies because I am obsessed with it.
Nothing is impossible in this world. You need to know. If you are someone who is drowned in debts or something like that, like you know that there is no hope, this is a situation which is next to impossible for me to get out. So trust me, believe in magic. I think you should give this book a try, or even you can listen to various podcasts. Also you can see the documentary which is called The Secret. So trust me, if you believe that yes, I can come out of it, trust me, the universe starts to be with you, and also things does evolve the way you want it to evolve. There is nothing that is called impossible in this world. Everything is possible. The third thing which I have learned from this book is how you can magically transform your mistakes into blessings. Now how you can do that with a very simple step which we generally tend to forget is, please count your blessings and be grateful for that. Show your gratitude for that. So once you start showing, the universe will be like, oh, like he or she is grateful to me, and I think I should give him or her more of what he or she likes. And that's the way law of attraction or the manifestation process works. So this is the next thing which I have learned. The next thing which I have learned from this book is like attracts like. Now generally we know that
Positive energy attracts negative energy, something like that. That's how science works.
now once it comes to the universe, yes, universe is a part of the science as well, but there is something which is called the magic, and that's when the question or the fact comes that if you are showing your gratitude for what you love, you will get more of what you want in your life. And that's how the gratitude journal or the gratitude list works. So now I have followed the practice of 28 days challenge over here, and yes, I have seen some differences in my life. But if you want to see magnificent differences, make sure you make this a part of your life. Write your gratitude journal every day, which I try to do digitally, but try to do that. And every day count your blessings, that for the smallest of things count your blessing, and trust me, the way this works, it's completely magical. The last but not the least which I have learned from this book is to have something, it can be anything, like to have something which can cue the magic actually. Now we have all seen the movie Harry Potter. Now when we get to see that, we see that everyone is using their wand to cue their magic. So it is very important to understand that concept, that it's not the wand which is having the magic, it's the ones who is actually cueing the magic. So it is very important to know that magic lies inside us, it's within us, and therefore it is very important to affirm yourself and believe that yes, I do have magic inside me. With the help of law of attraction and manifestation, you can believe that, trust me, and also make anything happen. Now I am not saying you
You can make happen like fly everything over here and there, but no, I'm not saying about that. You can
manifest actually what you want in your life. If you want a dream house, make sure you visualize that, affirm that, make that magic happen inside you, so that things work out according to you and hence you get the desired results of your life. So yes, these were the 5 important lessons that I have learned from the book Magic. One of the main being the gratitude journaling, because the more we are grateful for anything, the more we attract those things into our life. So yes, that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, good vibes to you and your family. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive. Bye bye.